I'm happier than I've ever been, yeah. Feeling this could should be a sin, yeah. The universe must want me to win, yeah. The universe just gave me a leg. Sit down an angel so fine and so thick, yeah. Feeling this could should be a
Thank
sin,
God.
yeah. The universe must want me to
Lord.
win, send me an angel. I woke up smiling this morning about this
Where
feeling
you
and I
going?
claimed it, yeah, I embraced it. I'm so blessed. And I probably don't deserve all this, and I know that. Yeah, I know that I'm a mess, but you see more than the surface. Girl, you more than beautiful, you perfect. Oh, oh.
Hey y'all. Hey y'all. Hey y'all. So I've been trying to get this. I don't know. Hello. Anyway, hey y'all. It's Tila and my guest Yanni. Hey everybody. Talk to the people.
I'm Yanni, Capricorn. What's up? We out here chilling. We probably was gonna go to the pool, but I guess it wasn't in. And we don't want to be with everybody else, so we here enjoying.
So, as y'all know, I've been trying to get this page together, and it has been an experience. Um, First of all, let me tell y'all where harmonizing generator, I'm sorry, generating harmonizer came from. So, I'm going on this spiritual journey. I've been on it for a couple of years. And a lot of things that I wasn't able to ignore anymore are just like smacking me right in the fucking face. Like literally. Um, my life path number is a 6-2, and I am a manifesting generator. I've always wanted to talk to people about my stories and stuff that I've been through, stuff I'm still going through, stuff I'm trying to figure out, you know? Um, so I decided when I saw my life path number, there goes the hummingbird. So, another one. Lately, I've been seeing white butterflies every single day. I've been seeing birds everywhere, moths. Um, this hummingbird is like 3 or 5 of them. I see them every single day. I just see 2 of them just flew by. They be in the bush over there in front of my apartment, who grows different purple flowers on it every single day. And I know that my ancestors and my spirit guides and my angels are with me every step of the way. And I know that everybody that is around me because we're drawn to each other spiritually. Yanni here. Funny story, right? So, I met Yanni's mom when I was a kid, before she was thought of, maybe right before she was thought of. She was my big cousin's friend. And I ended up being cool with her family. And then later on down in life, I started fucking with her big cousin. And I'm speeding this up, I'm not just gonna take y'all through it. So now, this is like my baby, you know. Um, she's 22. I see a lot of growth and potential in her. And I wish that when I was 21, I would have knew that I was on a spiritual journey. She has the advantage because she's so young and she's watching me go through everything that I've been going through. And she sees everything that I'm going through and she can relate to it. The reason I told y'all the story about her mom being my cousin's friend was because her mom was my cousin's friend. I was her cousin's girlfriend. And even in the time that me and her cousin was together, me and her knew of each other, knew each other, but we didn't, we wasn't as close as we are now. Now we are super fucking close. And she couldn't shake me if she tried. Confirmation.
Lies.
So, yeah. So I'm here. I'm echoing and everything like that. But I just really want to talk to y'all and I just really want to put a full real episode out. And I don't know, this gonna be the way. This is it. In the last couple of years I've always been drawn to the owl, but now I'm noticing it's not just the owl, it's birds. And then if I think about when I was a kid, my cousin Linda had a parrot. And I don't remember what the parrot name was, but I know she had a parrot. And I always liked that parrot. And I wanted one. And then when the parrot was gone, I was sad. And it's like now everything's coming to me, and I'm just realizing that when I was a kid, I used to go places and pick up rocks and stones and stuff like that. And now here I am later on in life, and I buy stones and rocks and stuff like that. Right? Lately, it's this glow to me that is immaculate. Like I can't deny it. And I've been trying to figure out what my purpose is, and I think I'm almost there. I know I'm definitely a healer, definitely a nurturer. See, my bird friend. Don't be nervous. So I be sitting on my porch over there, and I just be watching. And then like I walk around here, and I take my walks. I see anywhere from 10 to 30 birds a day. I don't know what that's about. It's crazy. Hello. They like, what is she talking about? They want to get in the pool too. But anyway, so I'm gonna share a story with y'all. I was in school to be a massage therapist. Oh, she want a shot. Sound like we gonna have to get another bottle. Indeed. Yanni's in vacation.
I am. I will be going to Houston shortly. Don't think I'm an alcoholic. I am not an alcoholic. I will be leaving to Houston for 72 hours, and my spirit is already there. I'm just physically in Vegas right now. All my friends is there right now. So yeah, I'm meeting them up there tomorrow. I'm just ready.
I just want to put it out there that I manifested her going out, traveling, getting on the airplane, and I actually remember a conversation that we had, and she was talking about she wanted to go somewhere, she wanted to travel. And I was like, you
Right.
got to, you young, you gotta start doing shit. I said, even if you get on a fucking plane and go to Houston, Texas. Now, here we are.
Months later.
I don't know how many months later, but months later. She told me that she was getting on an airplane and she was going to
Houston, Texas, to be exact.
Okay, so I don't like foreign cars, but my favorite fucking car is a G500 Benz truck, right? I'm on my third year living in apartment G5.
Southside.
On my daddy's birthday, I went to the car lot with some money that I saved up to go and get me a car off the lot. Yanni was with me and my other friend, Amani. So we get to this car lot and I signed the contract for this car on my daddy's birthday. When I look down at my phone, I signed the contract at 4:44. Now I didn't know if that was gonna be a good thing or a bad thing. But it ended up being a good and a bad thing, I guess. I ended up walking off the lot with this white Hyundai Sonata 2015 Sports Limited panoramic sunroof. You feel me? That thing was nice, right? So a month later, the driver's seat went out. So I had to drive for a couple of days with a pillow behind my back so that I can get around. I go up there and they tried to charge me to fix my seat. But they told me that I had 30 days for something to go wrong and they'd fix it for me. Well, I was at day 28. So they fixed my seat. So the next month, on Yanni's birthday party, Anthony drove my car. Anthony is my son, for the y'all that don't know.
No battery.
Ooh. I might be coming to an end for a second. I'm gonna try to speed it
Come
up.
back with shots.
I'll be back with a blunt and some drink.
To be continued.
I don't know what these birds and butterflies trying to tell me. So I've been seeing hummingbirds all day. Lately, I've been seeing a lot of birds. Birds and butterflies. More baby birds, and they white. Those was two baby butterflies.